To access the online forms service, you'll need to be connected to the internet. The service can be accessed in two ways, either from the Provincial Court Family Forms webpage by clicking on the Apply for a Court Order button, or by typing the URL into your internet browser. Here's the homepage for the online forms service, with a list of orders under the Family Law Act that you can apply for in Provincial Court. This service can help you to fill out the forms needed to apply for them. To get started, you will need a basic BCEID account, which is free and quick to create. It's used for many BC government services, including My Family Services, student transcripts, residential tenancy disputes, and applying for fishing licenses. If you already have a BCEID and can remember or recover your password, you can log in by clicking the Log In with my BCEID button. If you need a BCEID, click Register for a BCEID. Begin creating by clicking the Register for a BCEID button. Now, click the button that says Register for a basic BCEID. Complete the fields on the screen. Select a user ID that's easy to remember but can't be easily guessed by someone else. To protect your profile, create a password that measures strong on the scale. Confirm the password by re-entering the password again. Complete the password reset questions and answers. These can be used to reset your password if needed. Complete the I'm not a robot security control. It is important to read the Terms of Use agreement and consider how they apply to you. You will receive confirmation that your basic BCEID account has been successfully created. You may want to save or print this page for your record. Return to the online forms service and log in using your new BCEID. The online forms service saves your work as you go. That means you can come back anytime it's convenient for you. Select an application you already started, or click Begin New Application to get started. This service includes different pathways to complete the forms depending on the orders you need from the Provincial Court. Follow the instructions on the different screens to navigate through the online questionnaire. You will find interactive features throughout, including drop-down questions. There are links to helpful resources and information if you want to learn more about these topics. Links open in a new tab. If you hover over terms that are in a different font color, you'll be able to see a definition or explanation of the term. This service includes safety checks. These are helpful reminders about things to consider if you want privacy while you access information on the web, produce PDF documents, save documents, and provide personal information. Another safety feature is the Quick Exit button, found in the top right corner of each page. If you click on it, the online form service will close and take you to a Google search page. All your work will be automatically saved. Remember to delete web pages you visit from your browser history if you are worried about someone knowing which sites you have visited. When you make different selections, the navigation pane along the left side will show the steps that need to be completed. Watch it change as you answer different questions. It will show each step you have completed with a check mark, steps that are in progress, and those that remain. This feature shows you where you are at and how much further you have until your form is complete. You can use the navigation pane to go back to previous steps to review earlier questions and answers, or to make any changes. Another way to move forward or back is to use the previous and next buttons at the bottom of each screen. If you skip a required question, you'll be taken to the question and asked to answer it before you can move forward. Once you've completed all the required questions for your form, you can review your answers. From this screen, you can click the Edit option next to your response to go back to your answer to make any changes. Then you can use the navigation pane or next buttons to move through the service. You can also preview your court forms right in the online forms service. File your forms electronically, right from the service. You can review and print the form or save a copy. Upload additional documents, just drag and drop them in or browse your computer for files to attach. And proceed to submit your forms for filing. You can also print the forms and file in person. For more information, visit the Family Law playlist on the Province of BC YouTube channel for videos about family law in British Columbia. Thank you for watching our tutorial on the online forms service.